Hey guys, it's Roy here from RWoco12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here today to look at the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, the Galaxy S10 Plus has not been released yet. It's not due out for another 2 weeks. However, that being said, this is a dummy device. A dummy device is a device that, for all intents and purposes, is the real device, minus the fact that it doesn't turn on. It's a device that is provided to case manufacturers so that they can go ahead and they can have these cases ready to produce and ready to ship as soon as you guys have that phone in your hand, if not earlier. So we're going to be using this S10 Plus dummy device for our review today. So the Unicorn Beetle Pro is an awesome case that will protect your device in just about any situation, and it does it without breaking the bank. These cases go for $20 on Amazon, and we'll have a link in the description down below where you can order one for yourself. They come with a lot of really cool features, and they really stand out in a lot of ways because of the level of protection you're getting for the price. So here we have the 4 different color options they have. They have a metallic purple, a white, a blue, and a black. I have to say the white and the blue are probably my favorite 2 color combinations here. Now, if you're familiar with these cases, they do have one thing different on the S10 Plus that they don't have on other ones, or I should say they do have on other ones. With all of their other Unicorn Beetle Pro cases, they have a screen protector built in. This one does not come with a screen protector. Just something to keep in mind when you're ordering one. And one thing that they all come with is they all come with a holster so that you can clip that onto your belt or to your pants or whatever you want to hook it onto, and then you can hook that phone into the holster and you can carry that. It's a little bit harder without the phone in there, but you can carry that around with you and you can pop it off and you can use that whenever you want. Here, because there is no screen protector, they do have this little felt piece that does keep the screen protected so it's not bumping right up against the plastic and not causing damage to the screen. And because these cases are extremely hard to put on and off by design, they want to keep it so your phone is protected and not just randomly popping out. They do have this installation guide that provides you with the instructions on how to put that on and off of the device. Now, because I really like this blue one, we're going to go and we're going to put this on the device. They all come with this little sticker here that says separating front case from rear case. Whoops. And what that does is that tells you the best place to separate the case. Go slow and be careful so you don't break the plastic piece here. And then presto, you have your 2 pieces. Now, to put this on, the best way to do it is to take the phone. You're going to set it down face first, and it's best to take it with the volume and the power buttons on this side. You're going to set that down in there. Once it's in that case, you go ahead, you flip that over, and you're going to put it here. You want to put it in with the bottom first, and then presto, you're good to go. So there's a lot of cool features about this case, and there's a lot of things to love about it. One of the first things I noticed, and probably one of the things that I love the most about it, is this lip right here. They have this lip that's at the top and the bottom. It's a raised lip so that when you set the phone down, you can set it down face first and you don't have to worry about something scratching up the screen. One thing I did notice when I've had previous Samsung devices is those screens scratch super easy. With that raised lip there, you're not going to have to worry as much about scratching the screen up. I might recommend still putting a screen protector on there, but you don't have to worry quite as much as you would have before. Here on the back we have another couple of features. One of the things we have, it's not quite the same, it's not as extreme as the one on the front, but we do have a slight bump here that goes in each of these little black spots. Those do make it so that you can set this down without having to worry about scratching up the plastic on the back of the case. Also on the back, we do have this cutout here for your fingerprint sensor for the cameras as well as the other sensors. It's nice and deep so that you're able to protect the device, but it has this nice little incline here so that you can use a fingerprint sensor without having any issues. Here on the back, we also have this little kickstand. This kickstand is awesome because it allows you to use the device in a couple of different ways. You can use it in a landscape view, or you can use it in a portrait view, and if you're really wanting to rotate the screen, you can use it in a slightly more inclined portrait view. Here on the bottom, we have some cutouts. We have a cutout for your speaker and your microphone. We have another cutout here for the USB-C charging port, and then one for your headphone jack. Then here on the sides, we do have this textured grip that allows you to hold the phone very comfortably. As long as you're holding that in your hand, you're not going to be dropping that. Here up top, we have a cutout for your noise-canceling mic, and then on the sides, we have these textured buttons for your Bixby button on this side, and then your power and your volume buttons. All of those feel very comfortable in the hand. I like the way that they feel. They do maintain some clickiness there. It's kind of hard to tell how good those buttons will be when compared to an actual device when using a dummy device, but from what I can tell using the case, it does feel like they're going to be just fine without any problems. So all in all, I really like this case. I have to say it's probably one of my favorite ones that I've seen so far for the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. I would definitely recommend this case to anyone who's looking to protect their device and to do so without having to break the bank. So if you guys have any questions about the Unicorn Beetle Pro or about Supcase, feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.